Hello, physics. Question. A piece of cork is attached to the bottom of a rotating cylindrical vessel. So this is a rotating cylindrical vessel. This is axis of rotation. So this is axis of rotation. This is axis of rotation. This is direction of rotation. This is a piece of cork and rotating about the vertical axis with a uniform angular velocity w omega. If the cork get free and reached to the surface, what will be its trajectory? So if it get free and reach the surface here or there or there, so what will be its trajectory? This is A, this is B, this is C. This is B, this is C. Which one? So we will consider this one as a non-inertial system. A non-inertial system, there will be some acceleration with no friction. So we will consider every element of water, small layers of waters of mass m, and also we will consider cork. So there will be two things we will consider: water element and piece of cork. In this one, there will be three forces. There will be a pressure surrounding the water element. So we will consider a water sheet or water element. So water element, there will be a pressure surrounding the water element is abstract thing, gravity, and the force of inertia. Force of inertia is mass of the water element multiplied by the acceleration in perpendicular direction, product of the mass and a normal acceleration in normal direction. So if this is the element of water, so there will be a gravity acting on the vertical axis, and the normal perpendicular, there will be a acceleration and then the force of inertia, and as a resultant there will be a resultant force. And similarly, there will be a piece of cork. There will be a pressure, gravity, and the inertial forces. Gravity, if this mass is the same, the pressure will be the same, and the gravity and the resultant of this one is different from the uh, water, because it depends upon the gravity density of the piece of cork. Cork, these pressure, gravity, and inertia is different from the water element and the cork. That makes the cork to rise because it has a lighter to the surface, and also at the same time it moved toward the axis, so it will go up and go toward the axis of rotation. So this is the axis of rotation. So this is a piece cork, and it will move and toward the axis of rotation. So this one, so like this one, if the density of the object cork is or cork or distance is more than the water, and if it is a similar rotatory situation, it will sink, it will go down and move away from the surface of axis of rotation. So it is it's a lighter. So this is a water element and this is a cork. So this is axis of rotation. So if cork will go toward axis of rotation and move to up on the surface. So this is the result. On the other hand, if it is a denser, it will be go away from this one and down. So these are the two things.